agus fáilte rás Thig Na Seansálaithe mas maiid seans a bhácu glaciad Na Seansálaithe is me Hugh McGill Cara agus na géisiart le seo ar an le a tagann se má sné CAD le am ní Eagrán tá sé go hafigil sé bhí ón le aniu ar Hosting Virginia an phodchraoladh.
Yay!
Agus níor bhrisbert suas go fáil, ní drama go fáil.
You were my band go fáil.
You were James Band go fáil. Yeah, wow, actually sé bhí gira agus tú go fáil gan band sin fairly. Do you know what? Ní art muid rá tínas teann.
Agus is sort like
a podcast in the Wingman album rá waham. So
tá muid in Gaelbhreacht tá sé circus le truppel faoin am seo an trogan níor bhris mud sús mar dúir tú Hugh.
Imagine a thruple, so imagine like, you know.
What's good in scale to their Snapchat? Love, don't judge. When the canacution.
Imagine the honey a chocolate, to like, you know, to like JJ question, reharther and chat.
Should that hype house come tomorrow? Don't see on below.
Chat and hype fun. Does I chocolate TikTok on will? Oh yeah. Well, ar aon those an truppel is fearlibh in seáris de ma an seo le muid cólaci mo chuid cardí leis man seo le aine bhuiir aine Jimmer tatu.
Oh, hínta tan green na taniu. Well, ar tá muid tafad seo an green taniu tásúla go se fósa taniu maidir de híine.
Tan na mére chuirla seo chuirla chealagum le chuidú déh be go fáil am teasacing cé ggóil sin go seachtainí coppla chunda gan bhfuil. So mat the Grammys is seachta bon arm fisin dingy can try. Agus fásta do man seo le James ó Flaharta, James Jimmer tatu.
Okay, glór. Actually, bhís me bháh trína hána, so ní me íntach bháh.
Bhís me bhácín. Snap.
Bhís?
Literally snap.
Literally snap. Clowny me hílana.
I give me clear designs, yeah, bhís me bháh.
Oh my God.
Yeah, ní sé íntach le. But you know go Amad an Iarla no.
James. Oh my God. Fuck's sake, James.
Oh, for God's sake.
For me just with you, I was like,
yeah, but Eve was a Cora, they sent him a roof and chat.
Yeah, but you wrote to heard the lowest, you know, you wrote to canch cost la, you know, pantomime act, you know, cost la.
He may go to Cunyal just kind of our juicy than phodchraoladh.
Yeah.
Neil Michigan se breige, Rish Michigan working.
Well, ní chráidm sa tú inis, I mean, where y'all go with James Giroux.
Well, ní me chun mo chosu wint ma le tashbant lív, ach clowní me hílana, nar bhí me sir Lisbon and Jackatcha, as bhí me san Airbnb, as chuig me getchel san air, as landal me anashta her mo chos, agus tá sé dúthag is garmanis. San dío sé jazz.
Agus been the picture Swiss her Instagram inis.
Feet pics.
Jesus. Shouldn't have, you know, shouldn't have
please could go in room the stories of Utah.
Oh yeah. No, Bashar and close friends because I handled James Bashar. He went to have to follow Hugh shot.
He got you hackened.
Oh my God.
No thanks.
Literally, Thomas actually shook in the Asian because credit ma who you might like just honey shashini takun like better ya inta suanya, you know, but like fair enough, like better neuroshigar country whatever. Could you go in pod, but oh my God.
There's smith mernish ta mahains you an amaja mar dirk so there hosting much on phodchraoladh Dench James doing good shag immer clienter shot na show. Agus fós cred muide.
The low undercool drums like she can't come my his attack go shot but the
homa gas.
Yeah, that eventually gets sport because it's very in stats, James.
Das am da tuuri from ma. Anything extra ma.
Well, to Vikings Valhalla Agoni and Aaron to how can that's very more Viking cart.
Vi more extra room good about it.
Aye, but sure that this is yeah, this is just it was 3 inevitabilities: death, taxes, and thing is Gallium or extra. Ross in the room.
Yeah, but just creepish in the hooks of the dean, deal.
Nach Rolina good.
You don't know. That's just the background. It's an album to me.
Well, coming to JVTN,
Scotty sees a pub, Scotty sees a cafe, so you cannot just regular day home, really.
We're gonna we'll do kinship or do more extra Ross Maroon or and rotu it just a Hugh mat on the agus Hannington camp.
Like we met a restaurant, a cafe, it was a pub. To be honest, my vima got a mach at a shelter and I'm going like conkies going to see eating. So
yeah, Chuggy thing is so good is basically like, hey, this thing of a Ross Maroon, a goal pinty, it's a cool ik gehe capra inta fuer.
Agus Ruth is graver fin, you know, how to gimocht nu you know the fin to fall law nu follow.
Gira mar and Gearan and Tamara Fog. Bisha ho Astra. Oh yeah, well it can't be Astract.
Arkershin.
Arkershin. The grab in the segues alarm pod after much, you know, ten topic shot raw tell what the guy with Jake or Jirig Toos. Nesting more Holshiv ach being the Oscars or show and Donas by heart. I guess near Harlow rather be. Is your really Suganya? Inta you know,
Shedding lows we Jada.
Oh no, and this Kurman is biting of the word in this. Faculty Will Smith just resource a car and
Bail my van a master bail. Really angered the van, the brother. Christmas and do
him. Bail the van, what's the bail? Oh, you get
the hall. Well, you know.
Christmas.
Yep. Well, you know, shouldn't run, you know, Barlam can bail with van piece the bail foreign chart that pasta. So tau to a venue pasta.
It's a German group member the be.
You're all well. There's a staff of the Solid Jarger show. You're all well. Yeah, the Oscars are show. Agus Visha da Cratcha. Jay Harlow. Agus the grab in the Oscars hold.
Ladranach.
The homeland. Like can't time journal of the drama cost the show in the Oscars.
Still he nor is ring Jennifer Lawrence Stumblebugs so died in it kings. So
well, we shouldn't just grander ni road drama.
Should I make the Hollands on? Holland would big go on Agonia agus being Holland in the phosphine being Nima and then but like need a tadach more shot.
But bigger cartoon a vinu the greening bigger now waki no at a coney free clock nar who if we show our Twitter.
Yeah, you're being Patrick Starr like come on.
Let the Patrick McGill rails James at the hall. Near Arkmisha Ahawainer and Dub. That didn't be not Wallasaku, agus now some Kindo na Wallasaku. The Chris Rock, after Intercalio, as you know, Lion Scannon, SNL, is Ruddy Grin.
Madagascar,
yes, sorry, and Scannon is Calio the Vigentiga, which I actually think commission fear.
I know grown-ups.
But like me capping to you know to meet your Chris Rock and to meet your grown-ups, to meet your Adam Sandler.
No, yeah. Oh no one.
Visha ag genu, you know, chestnut in the gradum agus punching chart ring sha joking chart fee Jada Pinkett Smith na band Kayla da Will Smith agus Shul Will Smith was against statue agus so slapta agus dircha keep my wife's name out of your fucking mouth is not the Gajira shouldn't get dircha.
Yeah.
Agus fi yeah.
For yeah.
Just our ugly knock, you know, narfollow to and Cadwer. Not on the subtitles.
That's no Mike's looks meeting play.
He shot just like okay, or can Jake happen if she like well she like Fern Chris, not Fern Will, like Jake happen if been actor omland.
River Airsma came forward to my Lionaird. Thomas amazed. Can't calm because a Don Chris Rock agus Kechoma agus Janan just fans agus just laughed the right let's show ni Akama it is or Rio like New York Visha you should like raw okay kid actually a hall like chuig sé gartrodí agus land show agus like basically okay do routines look it's joking on ní all you can do so make some kid characters on got it like do joke agus like Toma I just like it's fair play like ceachmas chuig sé le chéadú agus chuig sé basically will show le chéadú but éach an Oscars and look like look bhí sé soachtain nach chuáilte but de sé bheith míl sa ceart dá Chris Rock práisteachí ach sin dá sé course agus fair play an seochain alright.
Thugla deáil gur bhain sé get as mar bhí sé sort tiite mar cúpla focail ach bhí sé an profisiúnt an dóid just gur leanseráid. Féin sé cuiinú don dúach duna buileadú as an dóin omlad ag arc. Ní bhacus a go déile genú riad an stáidir hin.
Okay, tip that then be my do Áine or statute not or slapty here na beishi.
Well, you can't slap over to go to me.
Come on, just shocked like we should brand new like we should show linked after we my brand new Rudy sports medical noch as we just show seachtainí. So usually we can NFL, NBA, baseball, hurling, soccer. Next you know we should look we can't see the Oscars like kids it's all at all. It's kind of one of the Shannon Sharp to you shall look at that mystery on what a bolts of that shop. You like you know what? Like just Dan Chris Rock even like duck or shot that. Need some get a whole shot but geez yeah we need some coffee it just being cool like you just a like in the
Vi leor daoine rá go bhhaicim muid ar an gamra nar dúirt Chris Rock an rud sin le hí faoi gcuig sa gur thosaí bhfuil i gaiirí as ní hé go dtí gur aithrí angle an camera gur aithrí sé sort intin saige faoi céir bhí cloiste aige agus bhí de rá kind gur thug an ban chéile kind of sunctós a si ráit téú san sin agus cosan mé sin sort an rud go daoine rá a Harley so
Thomas go like ní cheamis go se cheama go féic bhí an dús like cheama it's just publicity a seo and then chonig má fi an like oh god tá sé sin ho awkward agus like ní éach aontainna astruach mar I know go ag na Oscars but ní éach aontainna astruach mar sin is cum kid Holland like if you just horrible you just mental like
Bhí Iarla handling ar Claire Byrne sin ar Jaloon agus bhí sé na cant bhí like I think is was ago like na bhí sé genú scanning or like Claire television chart agus bhí si like genú mágu mór ar an English agus ar like in the clerics like in heart like it's far bhí it's sagar to bhí on the bhí tuairt máta like French grammar exam sin but bhí sé rá like ní hoca leis sin a bheith like gentas was like ní hoca leis sin a bheith fake because is joke really milchna sin but that ro sin ag cast ro gary like oh bhí seo joke mai like be much mágu faoi galar atá ar ban da Will Smith agus an sin tug se smackdá like Jenny sin go mai whatever like bheith a dinge be an end could be like reaction of it ag Chris Rock na bheith rud a bhí bheith like oh my god like cén fáin near the sin so no bhí sé go homlan fear like regime go se go homlan fear gur tharla like daró se nach se planáte
fu sin kitá team Will no team Chris
so mo thuirmsa right agus se go bheith such a non-answer an burt acu níró an cart acu dhéanú like go homlan so like mo thuirmsa hain like ní rilí gur ceachta bheith Joe Coffee rudí faoi daoine i dá nachhfuil like ein cuacht acu faoithe so like más mar fartsta gnéis arídéad na da méchamas na da galar na da the grúpi man or whatever like ní rilí ceachta de bheith mág because níl ein rá ag na daoine sin faoi sin or whatever Ken just fé like jokení dhéanú faoi na daoine ar foiin eile like tá lein for seáí le an grúpi manartha like den na rudí sinna agus siad snapta go bhí mágu dhéanú ach ní rilí cearta de bheith like punching down like sinna focail úsage an daoine like ní ruí hart a dhéana because like cén maihé sa dhéanaan sin that thing be like mat is mágah bhí daine atá already dáach like so leis an joke ar an stóna like céad beidir nachrósigh daoine hálann seo like faoi an gallery tar ar Judi Dench Smith an alopecia like goró se arthaí like cinnte bheith ag the daoine tá gobar na hOscars agus go háir Chris Rock mar tá aithnear acu ar cheala le blianttí like bhí se an Fresh Prince le Will like san nachhadaí like so cinnte bheith a faoi an galar sin ag an am cearna I chartas bullhort dat dunne ar chléir beá dam na milliún dunne gohéirje ar an hé tú chuna bheith aine mar an astrosfér the role is gan an allwar so yeah tan birch acu like near charta Chris Rock ra a nam care the like near charta will smackworth stuff like take him and fire take him and and menu or who like but probably ní hééis na dais fear le déile le feibin seacht.
Yeah, ein team se laat ní me really ní mé character Aaron because mas muitiú siar Oscars hanna ní mar agro an joke a gceart ach caiith a bheith sú leis ag na Oscars ghfuil den a chuna bheith ag mága fút agus uanta tá sé angrán an rodíidir an siad smuitiú siar go Ricky Gervais níl duidir bí a waslí ní smó na Ricky tá sé sin ábalta ahan den sa troma waslí an bháin rin sean tíar na Academy agus fóstíir si ar teachtar as caiith tú bheith sú leis agus just glacu leis sílam gitibug nes bhí sé gránna céir dúirt Chris Rock ach ní cheart duine bhúlú riú as ní cheartí dúla gothir ar státe agus sílam just gur scris Will Smith an ihe dóhéin mar chuis sé raid leis an céadú riú Oscars aige bhúcaint as bhí sé cuiinú as édal sús an stáit meall go se go náirithe so sílam just gnáirse hín ceart go gitibug ní smó decorum a bheith agus gan sinnéana mar scris sé an ihe dóhéin as si ránis bid go muhí siad an dústó go mai.
Well, níos go bheith sí ar a fence, níos go tíomh fucha.
Go on, James. Mai far.
Team Chris. We all random actually like God is in random at an YouTube series v Will Smith best shape of my life on YouTube.
Yes.
Agus for some reason ní shock as na rudí an se ag an Oscars horrible.
Tú shocked?
No, Mel, vi sé kin all erratic things at a Sraith profession like vi sé kin weird like vi sé tusman sú scati cheru like héis vi train on capi vegas like it's like no raw dini vi sé none an moody things but like a small Will Smith like is I think it ma agus astro ma chud an killed that class Fresh Prince obviously is in Scotland you don't read ach like look is joke vian is joke done vian Nirosha grammar like a joke on really ach more ngoch Will Smith sauce wat Will Smith ban goma wat Chris Rock ban ufosach Teresha ach in fact in yahu Will Smith sauce on as go walsha as professionalism via Chris Rock hate I think a cool massive of Chris Rock and then Will Smith she's omland like ufosach like walsha then he's like I like need to get in the wall like obviously I think it's false Chris Rock at on after Chris Rock band the Wadi Shower Teresha now Marvisha Gatus so he's I think like it is Tosha Zakativ that Chris Rock band the Shower Teresha now Will Smith
Tá sé crackáilte go dogtar ardan dá story like leanú driver se cos le anmhíthe le ní ana grad duine rud mar sin a riú.
No. Agus ní bhí siad hiúla se hard.
No. Like we didn't just off Amy Schumer version. Like me joking. To be honest, like that cannot comedy bug on dead in this free law version. Like you go to Amy Schumer cannot funny like.
Amy Shigroshi Get to Eagrán near chuúla mé a couple of snippets ach.
Dúirt sí rutíns faoi Lionaird DiCaprio fair play le an dánach í glas go na future girlfriend sa Thig. Aitá go sin hilarious.
Oh my
During go
god.
session na gaiirí faoi sin.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
Like daoine tú sama faoi. I sin ceanna le chuisí sús ag these an cin Ashworth on now. We should Friday Night Lights, I think. We should.
On the seat fillers,
Yeah, and the seat for can like. And then there's like you were session of jokes to chat. You know that was my wife. I was like, she was like, she's not joke, man. Give all what joke means and give all nach. It's like Ash story. Ich had this gemacht Tischkin said a kid that Dini raw in this scene. Give nach how to follow joke show. Like actually, Tasha actually means that. Come on. Vi måste full med går för kanske men just värsta banders is the fuck was she must see coming.
Nach rowan band nach Rorschach Kirsten Dunst like in the Astery like is schedule like we Spider-Man like so the scanner fudge and I think I think a joke well you're after to see so I think
no I just talk a band one man you're something because she called you another what does she call it even these funny days to be honest
and rather when a Jerry Muffin joke for Leo DiCaprio is go roig Leo DiCaprio fi na dingy bincha
exactly
so she like
in no way go wrong John Chris Rock
oh definitely not no,
yeah actually like John for Leo DiCaprio hilarious.
Like one of jokes ag an trúr band sin a chuir láthair an chláir sí him a go si dámhaid. Bhí cearháin bhí si rá jeez go dtí Harley is a Timothy Chalamet agus bhí an camera acu ar John Mulaney. Jeez lockdown was really hard on him.
Oh my god. John Mulaney blocked. But yeah, like Sean Rutherford made dingy able to country inish on Oscar Shaw like Keiko Ada is a lock of like a lock shot Dave led na butcher actually am shoot like Keiko had some lock of Dave like the actual listed care won the Oscars
Níl sé feici go
full
no
ní actually clue am sa full
ní ahí me cuatú le bheith má canta leat
tan list ogum sa but like lock shot like Tom Fada like le ecal ahan le sieve a handle like man hosted that we should like Will Smith Chris Rock like Nero Gabby
sin refreshing for sure like tá Will Smith cho callú a seo go bheith mar cean ar these callú in yon
oh yeah
like Will Smith basically go bheith remembered mar oh yeah sinna lad a slap on Chris Rock ag na Oscars you know it's oh yeah sinna lad a rú Oscar le film nu sinna Fresh Prince nu whatever
Tá sé an bhí cóir na daoine eile a bhuaigh beidir Oscar den céadúir a ní sin ní dunar bhí go bheith caint faoi scanan soú nó rud a bhí mar sin de si de léige caint faoi Will Smith as Chris Rock.
Bhí mar cant sin listen na lads faoi Questlove Bocht as na roots atá le bannaceáil Jimmy Kimmel na bit Jimmy Fallon ní Jimmy's ní
Máscam sí go need.
Don't mix up your Jimmys. No your Jimmys, kids.
No your Jimmys. Curma the Jimmys sinna. Curma can actually clock the Jimmys. Ach bhí documentary mu níana agus a class agus bhuaid an Oscar agus duine bí faoi ahain na dínta géis le seanis má tá Summer of Soul má ting bí garí eáil. Sim go Disney Plus. But yeah, if you have already delete Shaw Cash actually that wrote tisse Seahan Will Smith and Yanhan with Karen.
No. Was that you're on rocking in stature le Chris Rock or Wulu?
You kind of Chris Rock, but like that wrote to in like situation like Costlish and Yanha wrote Costlish or like Kendoy Dela Lashin.
Came fan ar anshe godi in an ócad agus Lord leis no fiú of there was a slap hurt don sin gin or cool stache ní ná gin as cóir achan den é.
Sin like an after party sin an actual áta you know Michelle like well go le wach mo full focha like could see an after party wach ma like wach ma just fake a zero cholat wach ma just like So ik mag Paul maar hier gaan, dat ik alcohol wat maar zo deed, but daar nog toe zien afgeperkt. Niet wat ik aan de cameras van, so. Ach nee, niet maar ook moeilijk maar, but I say gewoon link leor en mag je, ach ja, is nog idee dat misschien.
Ja som cén dóid le seo agrú na cén dóid tharla seo a bhrelam tu sé eice le genú árad tíar an dhé nuachta áca eil like bheith like oh by the way like you know te dinge chartné ra gohfuil i carú seit agus ní bheith seans acu and you know rud bí buintí club level or whatever agus is an den bheith like agus chuir géile tú fáteí Rick James of fire to turn set like hósta le bhéin seo.
But in fairness, talking to go Rudy Lemo upset. So graag go genoeg aan dan. To be honest, it's not a pretty sight, I can so what I'm hearing, I think.
Oh yeah. So one Belfast ag na hOscars an dóna. A walk is sé.
Belfast, honey, yeah, scan an ínta he.
1 second, ní got sin ra agus gan there's tension.
Sean doir well is as Tyrone do we had agus just the cottage á ládra goes there she'd Belfast and she'd Belfast the news and she'd feel an L that's just because le B
Belfast.
But yes, Connie mate Belfast well ha go mór lomsa Grantini get to book torn me eala go sé dú agus ban agus tá sé agsúil but in me se go sé class.
And with the chance echo James.
No.
Ní an change as hunting scan an echo James. Ní ceapan go mí.
Yeah, it's got you. Like could it see mama. Look, that my gross at black and white. I was for my mixed reviews. I was, you know, yeah, just just my Batman.
Oh yeah.
Chunny áhan den a Batman.
Yeah, my Spider-Man is more. Yeah. Can you for the money off my cinema with God is nice. Oh yeah, cook action like.
Ken gan superhero update.
I think it was in a not superhero done. To be honest, so you like 1947 about Benin.
This gan 1917 na hannig mat like
1917.
Hannig sin mat like Lionaird nar hannig.
Raven Dean.
No, I don't think Benin counts out. Hoima could ever like. Honig about like a ring panda. Hoima like Trixie's. It's shouldn't fit a maiden of general.
Trixie. Oh my God, yeah. Alec Baldwin agus not Pixie, but thing here.
Pixie, yeah. Trixie, whatever.
Ach James, actually Hannock Belfast go mór leat mar ní hogan daoine seo fa deir tá sé an granar. Sílan daoine ó goil se gan bheith an doiras an bhrónach. Ach ní hén siad ró gaiinista sa teo brónach de, so tá actually it's an lad óg seo and comedic relief than scan an like as tá sé co-granar that just canúint le agus 100 dear sé tá sé glóte yeah actually win an Tanya Ross James.
There's a really like a die like a vini me shut that na an wakish fish Brooklyn.
Yeah.
No scanning James no.
Yeah.
Oh no, Hannick, okay.
Correct.
Success.
She's not John the Sraith.
Yeah.
By far.
Boom! I've been to the Casa Kyo, to the Casa or on his guy yes.
Yeah. To Iarla, Lionaird see.
Yeah. I love Iarla Lionaird. I love Queen of D Wooded.
Spralo Iarla Lionaird.
Queen of D Wooded it is depressed. It's different.
It's different.
Yeah. It's different.
To be honest, needs
agus Casa and two gone. Ooh.
I need them even getting each really can't speak, but just toss them to depressing. So
say Iarla Lionaird like Frank Ocean nGael like Shanish.
The captain Iarla her turn phodchraoladh.
Oh yeah.
So now my serenade on.
James Costa, what else could Draker be? No.
I love bad bitches. That's my fucking problem.
God Hill.
Oh, Steel's shadow.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It can't be tangent.
God's plan.
Again, like. Can a character or like you know bra crazy feel listening around like we should just count that jazz you know it's count that costing the scan sin a mé sim and I know Sean gonna be really awkward and you grow the crease the like but they're really like the muera like the proper mum scan and like you know
well like ní an sin Martha sé bunir in a triplody so you know it's ní rom-com like
no ní cai scan the muera
I know that Hugh Rodham at the Judi Dench Sean
digging to my agus already jazz agus like you know the piece of brown on then be just
the Jimmy Dornan on
agus you know and I'm telling you that is an everlasting love it would to gallery and shin
the Jamie Dornan and Judi Dench
I'd let Judi Dench specifically
I just presumed a bit of love story down because
no ní love story Don
no
sé lig faoin ládóg seo sí ná den gur Jamie Dornan an príomh Astora and actually and Lado show he steals the show.
Cogmuch films because our Mamma Mia was back.
If you miss you go to ration shouldn't like in scan on for fat like Kahoma like Neil but either to do look at the Mamma Mia no to like just ni or scan it.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Mamma Mia the Greatest Showman. Mamma Mia 2.
Here we go again to the hall.
I was in class because we Lily James Sean. Doesn't have a brand new line film.
Oh yeah.
Plus I chat up line Lily James and hooks it up.
Okay. Oh wow. Okay. So Sally.
Your last name is my first name.
That's all you need.
Put their set on this. Take like the on this too much in Hollywood party and this you know to much see Iarla Oscar winner James O'Flaherty and you roll siga more LeBron James is scanning the seal siga. Because it's tagging Lily James to us. Like the James O'Flaherty like she
agus Jen slap on man.
Yes. Connie Muslinja a ma as the fucking bell. Connie my fucking Slinja a ma as the fucking bell.
Annie my man Lily she man batom.
Connie Muslinja.
Aren't she? I knew say go Seamus.
Yeah. Chris Rock, could you look? Especially like never should do a lot of Johnny Reach. Never should Jenny Shaw Reach. Ab Madger Lashin, so the Kieran Hines, nas Siren Hins, she them should Tanya Mahog, Kindle the D or a reach like their first army is the CAD.
Tá si dábal to Lupita Nyong'o a rá go fuirfa as níl stop to Kieran Hines a rá. Tá sin go
yeah, she's Dolam shit and agus Timothy Chalamet exhibition. See Dolam shit na Áine na neuron na nGael.
Ní wacan siad lean Gaelic a gart níarann siad anim siar Sharon and riú a gart gléin siad Cyrese agus Saoirse agus ahannar deller hí ach Saoirse.
Sorry,
and
Freedom Ronan. Sorry, no, and Kinna's fair na John Travolta a rare and the wickedly talented Adele Dazeem.
Idina Menzel. As we should cardio lehi. Agus dúirt sé anim saki mé cheart, yeah.
Deadly. Ach modular Kieran Hines. Níl sé sa scanna and like fáinne better like chuig Jake Bumache like that sense scanna really gurge like hánig me sé hala in London agus bhí trá Bumache da like trailers agus fógraí riven scanna and then bhín scanna na hen na Bumache fad. I was like lad from sin shot like or la scanna that urgi like back up like the cahrú de ma am at the catch go machine shot just a gurker trailers like let the hall like terrible. Oh, much as London shouldn't it say
yeah the chance to stay there. Look what you did to our country.
Sinna fág bhfuil a scanan sear fáil in isis.
Coinne do chud cosa a máchas mo pí.
Yes.
Coinne do fucking cosa máchas mo fucking í.
Oh, you're much a hamagu. You're much a hamagu. Oh yeah. Bishan gag is Bishan gallery le blianti inis Bishan running gag inis.
Not true am go Will Smith fashion dom no to sé mar on raw meme is smooth internet. Oh tíí sin ceán agus in ceán víte wachtta víte cansa jaders víte clean
Oh yeah.
húra like really dark like was that like ceán the memes on when your mom tells you ran out of Fruit Loops actually
just more agus YouTube Rewind fásta agus bhí méid an rudí go a méid an memes fi Will Smith gojira
memeable
agus sin rud is fear le bhéile dinge bí sin an dá but sorry fui Kieran Hines like near Higma came file go making tangents and near Higma came file like a worship on me like Bunyan Road like Bedricker cap the secret already might and I happen if you just kind of like calculate like you kind of just Shanla just scan an air that like killed on and parch and you're in the shot
he me grow Judi Dench actually Grisha has a mock do sunny smona knock here on Hines
Kegro Canon Saki
the Canon gets a book Ashlock like Akshilam grown character nam save in é am chaú an air agus is asna so sin gur sin an fá gro sé mar sin den gro but yeah he me gro se anhaid
supporting actor
yeah no ní war se for se anim na chanach ní war se an dúis yeah
no bhí se bhuaite ag fan go bheici man ag Troy Cotter le Coda agus is scanan a bhfu scanan is fear an blian nope cholamag was already mine so cholamag gur bhuaise an scanan is fear na Oscars so
should I hear do that mission animal film
yeah mis mar géine
Coda well
yeah
I think hánig ma é fógraíoch siúnta ar Apple TV sinam na scanan a bhí anime na Coda a bhuaia dún an má sibh dún
no ba chuúla me fa sin
bhí dún deadly surely just or bhí surely mine Belfast le Belfast The Power of the Dog ar hol fi sin
chuúla me fa seo tá gí é eáil chus chuúla me rudí anhaith faoi Channing Tatum na bé no sin cean
eile and Netflix on you Tá am sin cean
yeah agus tá sé nua cumáid as dog an tanim tar
it's actually just dog up there yeah
okay
no Power of the Dog sin le Benedict Cumberbatch agus sin go ar Netflix fasta though ach no dog is whichware
yeah le Channing Tatum
agus la Kevin la Diesel like Kevin Nash and Sean Wrestler that's my fun fact of the day I always bring it back so yeah Power of the Dog King Richard Foster obviously la Will McGill Smith Nightmare Alley you can Guillermo del Toro all my grocery called crazy Don't Look Up a scan on Netflix
yes we should go my
do you have to this in James
I thought you were class I thought you were whole funny
yeah one man saltas
funny
actually no effect you can go
oh Chingwitz doesn't taint in a narc sin Harris here and another
the Mr. really awful seeing the really nap also good with this massive Shaw like Shaw size cost Neil Tiger King Fakigum
Neil Shefeki ogum suckered
okay please
doesn't taint in ela gulisgum now Shefeki
okay the James
just same birds down I think now
yeah
the division begins with a game loss on the Hawks project
I don't know just big Fulham
Disney Plus Dear Canay launch so she gro Hallen sin Garker Zach and Cody
fair very fair and sin so we Don't Look Up and sin we Drive My Car Sarah he say Yamamoto Nyasha Faking Japanese scanan bunny or scale Haruki Murakami I'm guessing Nyashin Fakigov
no look constables are going to obstinate I don't think the films means any Oscars even come off
well Sean Rudd right okay so in Doyen Yanich the Votal Sean is behind the scenes in it is go Rowney and shit like being a mate to the Votal or whatever agus pucking shit in the scanan is fair like the Kinney will J Moss J or Ahana Latif the Kinney will like Heen Moss Heen they're on like Milch or whatever agus find shit Rachel in the scanan shin so in the scanan at had J Moss J as Ahana find you Rachel because there's like on image Gary scanan to raw Kyle basically or not will raw like
Row basic.
Raw basic or whatever machine or whatever. So then there's the flat in the scanner and so and then just canúint the gáil leis sin then ag sin dó around and shit the scanner.
So the film basically unbelievable need to go rota.
Mata the scanner raw y agus mata se raw cailú agus mata se raw rahul ní we to Oscar. Sure fecinn tú ag gcónaí leis na scanner ní nach go bhfuil na scanner Marvel Michael or that best
Drew,
the Infinity War was unbelievable.
Which I might like, but
in fairness, I think we can ask him to go Winter Soldier.
Vision scan and Doc Ratchet. It's
not Marvel films for.
Ní ein siad fiú ahantas don CGI nó don smidge nó na héan an festas rovinnic.
Yeah, fáilte the initial reach, but ach ní bhain siad iad gimannic. Nis imléana ní rosta chuig go buint because bhui dún a handle gradam le haid body techno like best sound, best production design, best film editing, best cinematography, best original score, best visual effects, like literally a handle road like ní rosta chuig chun. Ach ní ro ach Shang-Chi agus Spider-Man No Way Home, vi ná mé le best visual effects. Like she commission like
watch The Revenant.
Yes.
I honestly don't think it's that fuckle Rotz's film should look. Agus Rosa Oscar.
Now we're any small
Queen
Ebert. It was an Ebert or in a shay. Girl sé an Lionaird an páirte immert
a mis mas bocht van gomme kennen. Och maar goed de press kennen as nu gewoon had raw.
Well, sin road like it's like fucking to going like Astray like Sir Daniel Day-Lewis, just a character go more like going car and the reach being like okay to Cambridge fecal and Sraith or whatever da could be Astart a Gary in the butcher that ignoscary the grad ní in the scanning is Kyle no in the scanning is fair. I mean
Lloyd should Oscar Samuel L. Jackson go mean just a cholle film bill
agus mar go mean character Kieran in a handle of scanning like let's say vi hín Jerry go character Kieran in a handle of scanning
this guy's a motherfucker at least chuig film
the sin secondary actually ní any shy oh yeah the Oscars better and gapative like chance be shiv anya like Oscars like kin rin you may shiv anya san Oscars can name James
did you get issues.
Oh yes, but she's the court to thing of
she's the court to film ma clearing did you get just come on
and screen had Ken's can scan on the screen James Ken can okay
main lead to be honest was not even go heel this was kind of funny because basically car crash of life so you must have depressing the Oscar of that
brona act
mostly so it's what actor on so so right down the Oscar line so
well need to really jail to him let you gar fi her ran nach to
blockbusters was wrong we got Oscar so ni
Oscar wat dat ra a die vesher away
Can I just be Michael Leor just
Michael Leor
okay shouldn't
the Marvel Cinematic Universe in last of this far Mar the next Ant-Man be Paul Rudd Michael
careful any king kill scan a screw had to throw to her like hella scanning on Oscars
Ní bheith ab to scan an screw Herod is sin go mé ab to get to astruct the other han astruct lum it in my law I've done a bit in my day so
I'm a bit advanced thespian I've thread the boards before
so sin not go back
to a draw like a skull on you
oh yeah
fail
skull dramaíochta baby
in school mar drama geeks agus go mar
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you should our lead in what TY drama. You should Macbeth.
And you're in the ship and drama online the Macbeth.
I can all version of King's Macbeth to be honest. I can all like mafia Macbeth. Can all yeah, so I can all cool though. And then ring was skit we was Malga in the moon look at the egg. So yeah, so she's raw wild in the moon but because she's really good Malga skull.
Sin rud is fear sin rud is táhachtí.
Yeah, agus sin ná a hosa agus seachna mo híal náisireacht.
G Shaw James bit tú
Yeah.
rasher an station le na beag go bhíart.
You were supposed to run Coppolino.
Oh yes. Agus sin bit tú flyer. Bit tú absolutely flyer.
Fire. Next stop, Bollywood.
Bollywood.
There's one problem there.
I don't know. I think Mitch are great. I think Mo James great.
Yeah.
Inta mai dausa, inta mai ceol, ten charisma sin agad. I think Obracha. Just kind of changy full.
Yeah, because it's the loudest in the Eternals.
Oh, like Camille Nanjiani.
Yeah.
A legend.
Legend.
An absolute legend. Right, Sheelam Gabe Shane, Manuel Rutherby Alon, Sheelam Crochin clicking, Shin exclusive to the much like Gurker YouTube, Kindai, Arkin the lads is Croc clicking, Gur Mila Mai give us a vacation to reach Lesh Na Seansálaithe North, Ugging Div, the Áine the Geishart, so much of Geishart La Eagrán Fiú chuig, agus an chart and chugging to Eagrán Fiú sé go bhíon, agus an sin from the Glocky Salzburg dan Chaisk. So you know because kind much na bring which tree Eagrán Jake high and Kedsrai agus Bishon tree Eagrán Jake dan Darsrai. So I think we wish an ever to Rowney Hogan inish le handle Eagrán Magianu. Ach be rash gan dart again cookish. So ni own Áine seo ach un Áine sugan bimid Glocky Salzburg ach na bí burtha bimid chatrás le Sraith omlan le twist omlan beidir gur craim muid couple promo an we sin agus muid chat Swiss like an teaser book dhéanú beidir ná sagam beidir truki si má a rihanam ach yeah so Salzburg cookish from recharge the batteries Jay with the scléanú le the Salzburg Áine Jay with the cintag te caiú.
Níl so gom be me a crunú an phodchraoladh an airtin be me a pléann an céad Sraith.
Ooh. Careful to James with the Gleanna, let's the cookish sear.
Color, hopefully. On the go again, it's come up bugging ski. Ach no. Even though the name was not name was a craic, could he tap off the actually fashion Instagram or this Twitter or this big brand on YouTube for the fashion drawing back constant crazy. I guess much began to the hostel at a pod no she get thinking specific all ed this was a constant that so yeah it's moins of one I guess talking was on board
Jearh Muller mata didn't you be at some of the hostel earn pod na better shivhain mata the geisla seo scapin to go scale my le instant na will crack my le more the chancellor honor her dan le dat dan seachtainí
was a cruú daoine le scéalta má nuair go scéalta take runs answer agus lí ceá a se gaite as was cruú daoine eile le scéalta
crack culture.
Sure, really just an rehabilitation that you with James, the Gary and just a Gary Jenny can that was shot.
Oh god, he should quite raise off him so you can make freaking hook scale on for you.
Okay, a bit much rash and la high Sraith tree. So now be in a glare finish chance your rash. So now be working you Rob Minnick. Gajishan mat scary much absolute in the man hosted how much the Seansálaithe or Instagram the Seansálaithe or Twitter agus agus the Seansálaithe YouTube come go agus sin nas figlat and fishan gone to Shaw Eka agus much consult as an Green gone agus much half the Shaw but the Gary Áine amshu or in the main hosted that she more anywhere or Instagram anywhere or TikTok agus anywhere or Twitter but the Gary James amshu more Fáilte or Twitter Fáilte or Instagram agus Fáilte or TikTok agus mu de gair muise amsú sa mar Hugh Carr here ar Twitter, Hugh Carr here ar Instagram agus just gra Hugh Carr ar TikTok. Bishinné? Sim go bishinné?
Sinné. Go dtín teachtain seogan.
Tín teachtain seogan. Tá go leor couple scanan leis. Tá go came out actually arcan na scanan a bhí anhiad leis. Ach sure look. Right, slán folks.
Slán.
Slán.